Hello, my name is Dr. Leah Cortland. I am the instructor for this course, ESCI 100, Elements of Earth-Space Science. Let me start with the best way to get in touch with me. The number one and perhaps easiest way to get in touch with me is email. My email is available both on this page of this video and in the syllabus, which I'll show you how to access in the next video. I will be at my computer and available Monday and Wednesday from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Eastern, as well as on Tuesdays and Thursdays I have an evening office hour from 6 to 8 p.m. If you forget these times or you just can't remember them, then you can always go back and find them written down within the syllabus. If you send me a message, you can expect a response in a pretty short amount of time, usually within 1 to 2 hours in most cases. On the weekends, though, you probably won't hear back from me until Monday morning. When emailing, be sure to include the course number, ESCI 100, in the email so that I know which course you're emailing me about. This will actually help me to get back to you more quickly. You can also reach out to me via the ACE messaging feature, ACE chat, Zoom, or Google Meet. When you reach me via the ACE messaging system, it will send a message both to my ACE inbox and to my email, so feel free to reach out to me via that platform. In fact, you will practice using this messaging system as you complete your introductory activities this week. If you utilize the ACE chat room feature, send me an email or an ACE message ahead of time letting me know when you'll be in the chat so that we can sync up there. If you are unfamiliar with ACE, don't worry. We will go over how to utilize both ACE and Connect Plus, the textbook digital resource, in more detail in another video. If the Monday, Wednesday, and Tuesday, Thursday times don't work for you, just send me an email, send me a message, and we can figure out something that works for both of us. The most important thing is that you stay in contact with me if you have questions, need clarification, have any technical issues, or if you're just having a difficult time keeping up with the course content. Now, before we go too much farther, let me tell you a little bit about myself, your instructor, as well as the 2 additional faculty members who have helped to prepare the video lectures that you will see as part of this course. My name is Leah Cortland, and I prefer to be called Dr. Cortland. So if you're emailing me, you can write Dear Dr. Cortland in that subject line. I joined UIndy as an assistant professor in 2015. I specialize in geology, geophysics, and volcanoes, and I really love all geologic and atmospheric hazards. I love studying those. This means that I get to utilize the tools of physics to study volcanic eruptions and volcanic hazards and other hazards. I love teaching, and I am excited to get to know each and every one of you over the course of this semester.
Hi, my name is Nick Soltis, and this is my first semester at UIndy. I specialize in geoscience education and was a former middle school science teacher. I also specialize in biogeochemistry, geobiology, and medical geology. So a lot of the work I do looks at geology and how it impacts living things. And on the flip side, how living things impact geology. If you find yourself interested in earth sciences, you may see me in future courses on the history of the earth and life, paleontology, oceanography, or geology and health. Best of luck this semester.
Hello, my name is Dr. Christopher Moore. I'm jointly appointed in the Anthropology and Earth Science programs. I teach predominantly in anthropology, but I also teach geoarchaeology and soils, as well as a few other classes from time to time in earth science. My research is in the area of soils and sediments, and specifically soils and sediments in the archaeological record. So I'm really interested in how human impacts on soils and sediments can help us understand the past. I also study geological raw materials, so types of stone and types of metals and types of clays that humans use to make tools, and how the sourcing and distribution of those materials can help us understand trade networks and distribution networks used by people over time. I want to welcome you to Earth Science 100, and I hope that you enjoy the class that we've developed for you. I know that Dr. Cortland in particular has put a lot of effort into making this class a vibrant and interesting experience in this interesting and confusing time that we're living in. Please all stay safe and let us know if you need anything. Take care.
Dr. Moore, Dr. Soltis, and I care deeply about your learning and have been working together to ensure that we can provide you the best experience possible. As you may know, this course satisfies the UND General Education requirement in the natural sciences. We have a lot of content and a lot of activities that you'll be expected to work through, and you will want to manage your time effectively so that you don't fall behind. I recognize that there are external distractions and stressors that we are currently experiencing that might make it difficult at times to put in the effort that is going to be required of you. Again, stay in contact with me if that is the case. I hope that you find something interesting in this course and that you become more aware of what earth science encompasses and a little more versed in earth science processes. It's not about memorization so much as it is about coming out of this class with more earth science knowledge than you had before. Let me know if you have any questions or concerns, and let's stay in touch with each other as much as we possibly can.